In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in Outlook using Microsoft Word. We'll walk through the entire process, starting from setting up your contact list to sending out personalized emails seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to prepare your contact list, and for this demonstration, we're using an Excel file. Ensure that your spreadsheet includes distinct columns for details such as first name, last name, email address, and any additional information you might want to personalize, such as company or order ID. Having this organized beforehand will save time and make the merging process smoother. Once your contact list is ready, let's move on to the mail merge itself by opening Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Mailings tab. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to start a mail merge. Start by clicking on Start Mail Merge and then select Email Messages. This option will set up your document as an email rather than a traditional letter or envelope. Next, you need to select the recipients for your email, which is where your Excel file comes into play. Within the Mailings tab again, click on Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. You'll be prompted to find and select your Excel file, which connects the data from your spreadsheet directly into Word. This step is crucial as it tells Word who to send the emails to. Now it's time to craft your email. Still within Word, type out the body of your email message. This is where you get to be creative and detail what you want to communicate. Once you have your basic email text, you'll want to personalize it using merge fields. Place your cursor at the point of personalization, such as the greeting line, and click Insert Merge Field. For example, you might write, "Hello, first name." This field will automatically fill with the first names from your Excel list, giving each email a personal touch. When your email is complete and personalized, it's time to finish and send your messages. In the Mailings tab, click Finish and Merge and choose Send Email Messages. A dialog box will pop up that allows you to make final adjustments. Make sure to set the To option to the column containing the email addresses. You'll enter your subject line for the email too. Make it engaging so your recipients want to open it. Select the mail format, and I recommend HTML if you've employed any customizing or formatting elements. Finally, click OK. Word, in conjunction with Outlook, will handle the rest and send out each email individually. This approach maintains the personal touch while saving you time, as you don't have to send every email manually. And there you have it. Your email merge is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.